I don't want to take me for idiot, not true.
Why you say that?
You make me tell you say Kareem there at the shop. And you tell me say boy you're a fitness trainer. Don't lie to me. Something right.
Tony, I know everything you're gonna know.
Well, don't use me. If you're gonna use me, I'm gonna find somewhere else to go. You make me feel like saying you want to talk to Kareem. Now you have him in the corner and interrogate him like him do something wrong.
Look at girl.
You don't say nothing to me. I don't want none of you to say nothing to me until you plan to tell me the truth or I'm just gonna leave.
Tony, let me tell you something.
Bossy. You sure you want to do that?
Yeah. I think at time. She round with long enough. Tony, everything we will do is undercover. And we'll have to keep it undercover. You can't trust any and everybody. That's why I teach you how to teach you. You ask me the question, if Whisper Security or police are one of them, he's an undercover sleeper.
I know. Things just look
Tony,
too just look too fishy.
Tony. So I need you, whatever happened here, so keep it here, so. You have potential. When you do a little while in the passage, you surprise me. I want to reason with you in becoming a junior sleeper.
See me like me I go undercover?
Yes, Tony, but I have you under observation. You have to learn to keep your mouth. You have to learn to stay focused. You have to learn to blend in. I'm going to start you out observing.
That means look and don't talk, right?
Your observations start now. The conversation here never happened. Tony, what you do?
Me I practice for sleep.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling
So, this is the place.
Yes, this is it. You like it?
Has a nice, intimate feeling.
Yeah, it does. We can use it for the dance classes and the theater productions also.
And the back entrance.
Yeah, that leads out to another lane.
Can the vans drive down there?
Yes, they can.
Good. I like it. Now, let's talk about our scapegoat.
Masu, do you really have to call her that?
You're right. I should never be calling your future wife and the love of your life that.
Masu, you never have to carry that far though.
Why not? I mean, you seem to be madly in love with her.
Masu, truth is, I really do care about her.
No emotion! That's the deal. Have you forgotten?
Yes, ma'am. No, Master.
Anthony, take a seat. Fate brought us together to give some of those entitled females a lesson.
Yes, Master.
You remember what your stepmother did to you?
Yes, Master.
You remember how your stepsisters treated you?
Yes, Master.
This is to teach all those girls who see men as a walking ATM a lesson. They need to know what real work is.